Yo, I was literally driving home and gas was at like 170. Like, what what are we living in? Not only did we get hit with another snowstorm in March, but gas is at 170. Like, what are we really playing out here? This isn't okay. Somebody needs to overthrow this government, or I don't know, maybe use the gas that's in Canada. This is crazy. This is preposterous. I'm 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 flabbergasted. Canadian government, fix it. So like this time last week, I was in shorts and a t-shirt. Crazy. Crazy to think I came back. Damn. Shorts and a t-shirt. 1 week out, now I'm in a frozen tundra. And you gotta be a billionaire to be able to afford a tank of gas. Damn. Canadian struggles, I guess. Guess they'll just walk to Tim Hortons.